Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cable clip in your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the clip is broken or missing, and the cables are hanging loosely in your stove. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do here is we're going to open up our oven door, and we've got these two screws right here that we have to remove. So we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. So now we'll take our stove top off by lifting up and tilting back, and then picking it up, and we'll set it off just slightly on one side. And the first thing I want to do is remove this grounding wire here, and I'm just using my 1/4-inch nut driver. And now I'm going to remove these two wire sets right here. Just going to unplug those. Pinch in and pull out. And now the whole assembly is free from the stove, so we can take that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it down on our work surface and on a towel so it doesn't get scratched up. So right over here, we've got a bunch of wires, and they were kind of just dangling down. Not really supposed to be there. They're supposed to be clipped onto the side right here. And this clip is no longer doing its job. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to take this old clip off. And it'll just push right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement wire clip. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put our clip back on into place, right about where the other one was. And that'll just push right on over those wires. And then what you'll do is right down here, you'll see there's a little lip, and you can clip that clip right into there. That'll hold those wires up and out of the way. And now we'll put our cooktop on our stove. Now we'll reattach our grounding wire here. And now we'll reattach the rest of our wires, and all you have to do is push them straight in. Now I want to lift up the cooktop and angle it back, and then I want to line it up with the two plastic rests back in the back there. And once I've got that lined up, I can set the cooktop back down, and then I'll line up the screw holes on the bottom and screw it back in. And now you can close up your oven door, and your repair is complete. Did you know that the person that invented the door knock won the Nobel Prize? Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.